Hello my dear friends, you're in the VoiceCoding channel. In this video we are going to talk about the advantages of local voice recognition for LLM prompting. Let me show a simple example first. Give me a weather forecast of New York. Press enter. This uses basic speech to text and shows one of the primary advantages of using a local speech input and voice control system for interactions with LLMs like Claude. It is fast and always available, way faster than typing, faster than using a website's speech-to-text feature. It is even available offline. Remember, some LLMs like Microsoft Windows Copilot or local models run on your machine. Now let's go into more advanced examples. List the names of all ASP.NET web controls. This prompt contains the term ASP.NET, which is no normal word. So why is it recognized? Because it is part of the standard dictionary. When you're new to Dragon, you might ask, what is a dictionary? Open Vocabulary Editor. The dictionary is a central repository of known terms. It contains all the words which Dragon can recognize. For Dragon Professional, it is editable. You can add and remove words and terms as necessary. Let's search for the term ASP.NET. You see, it's already defined. Now let's continue with an even more advanced example. List the properties of the This contains two uncommon words, radio button and web forms. These are camel-case identifiers and not part of the default Dragon dictionary. Open Vocabulary Editor. So how do we get these into the dictionary? Basically, you could just add radio button with the spoken form of radio button into the dictionary. But this would mean that whenever you say radio button during normal dictation, it would be replaced by the camel-case form. That's probably not what you want. So how do we solve this? We use a prefix, the prefix name in this case, to make the name, say the sound of the name, unique. This will improve term recognition, and whenever you say name radio button, it will insert radio button. List the properties of name radio button, name web forms control. Now let's continue with an even more advanced topic, introductory prompts. In my opinion, these are very useful to prepare the AI. One example would be, all following prompts are regarding name C#. This prepares the LLM for the general topic of the following conversation. But you absolutely don't have to dictate this every time. Instead, you just define a macro. Let me show an example. Open Command Browser. We will define a macro called chat C#9. Why this funny name, you will ask? Because recognition is better when you use plain English words for macro names. The command type is auto text. Most macros should be availability global. To have them available in remote terminal sessions, we have to create the content now. All following questions are regarding name C# and the name.NET framework numeral 9. This concludes the macro definition. We can use it now. Chat C#9. Auto text macros can contain formatted or plain text. You can use these for prompt engineering and other tasks. So now we've covered the basic features of voice coding for prompt engineering. Let's summarize the advantages. Local voice coding is fast and always available. It's way faster than typing and faster than web-based dictation. Local vocabulary allows custom terms. Macros make your life easier. Predefined prompts improve your workflow. Your terms, macros, and prompts are available on all and identical for all tools. Are you voice coding already? Do you have questions or suggestions? Put these into the comments. Thank you for watching. Put your like and have a good day. Bye bye.